Good morning, boys and girls. It is time for our morning meeting, and I would love for everybody to get a piece of paper or a whiteboard and a marker if you have it. And I'm going to have you try writing the date with me today. So today is Thursday. So here's my whiteboard. Like I said, you can always use a paper and pencil too, but let's try to do it together. So what makes that sound? You're right, TH. And remember, we said it's an uppercase T because it's the name of the day of the week. So we have Now, you are can make the sound. Thurs. What's next? S. Good. Thursday. We know how to spell the day part. We've been spelling it all week, right? So magic C and our D, right? We have to make that magic C and it turns into a D. D, A, Y. Thursday. Good job. Thursday. Now, sometimes when we're writing the date, we abbreviate. And abbreviate just means we shorten what we're writing. Okay, so we are going to abbreviate September today. And the way we abbreviate September or shorten it is, an uppercase S. Whoops, we forgot our comma. Go back and add that comma. So our uppercase S, because it's the name of the month. So E, Sept. And that's it. And then we put a period right there. So that is sometimes how you might see September written, because it's an abbreviation or a way that we shorten a word when we're writing it. So it's Thursday, September. We still say September, but that's what it stands for. September. And today is September 10th. See if you can write the number 10 on your board. Did you write it like that? Good job. A 10. Thursday, September 10th. Then we need another comma after our number. And then our year is 2020. So 2020. Thursday, September 10th, 2020. So that's our day. And we are going to be on number 7. So underneath that, can you write the number 7? So we are on number 7. Who remembers, what does the word 7 start with? 7. Yes, you're right, an S. There's that E again. V. Another E. And what do we hear at the end? 7. Yes, an N. So we have our number 7 because we have been in school for 7 days. All right, so let's say our date together before we move on. Ready? Today is Thursday, September 10th, 2020, and it is the 7th day of school. 7th. Yep, we have been going to school for 7 days online. All right, so I'm going to shrink myself down here a little bit, move myself over so we can start keeping track. So we are on day number 7. Let's go ahead and count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 days we've been in school. Now we're going to add another tally. So remember, now we count by 5s for this group because it's already there. Ready? Get your hand ready and go 5, And we switch hands. 6, 7. Let's do that again. Count the group of 5. 5. Now count our ones. 6, 7. 7 days. All right, on to our shoes. Let's see what color Pete the Cat's shoes are today. They are green, but we only have one green shoe, so we know that our number 7 is odd. Remember, the orange ones have a pair, the black ones are a pair, the pink ones are a pair, and now we have green all by itself, which means it's an odd number. 7 is odd. All right, onto our 10 frame. Let's add another counter. Our days in the tens frame, we have a group of 5 and 2 more. So 5, 6, 7. Onto our piggy bank. Who remembers how much is a penny worth? You got it, 1 cent. So we need to add another penny to that piggy bank. There it is. And if you look really close, that's that Lincoln Memorial on the back, that flat-topped building. And on the front is Abraham Lincoln. All right, now our tooth graph. Nothing to report right now. But what I would like to do is take your board or your paper, and we are going to add June and September together. Okay, so take your board. How many kids lost their teeth in June? 2, you're right. So write the number 2 on your board or your paper. And we're adding it together, so it means we need a plus sign. 2 plus, how many kids have lost teeth in September? 1, so add a 1. Then we need our equal sign to make our equation. And what's our answer? 2 plus 1 is 3. Good job. Now remember, you can always use your fingers. That's a good manipulative. 2 plus 1, add them together. It equals 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So there have been 3 kids who have lost their teeth in June and September. Good job. All right, on to our calendar. All right, so we are going to add number 10 on our calendar because today is, let's trace on up. Today is Thursday, September 10th, 2020. Good job. All right, who knows what is tomorrow going to be? Yes, tomorrow is going to be Friday. Good. And who knows, when we go backwards one day, what was yesterday? What was yesterday? Good, Wednesday. So today is Thursday, yesterday was Wednesday, and tomorrow is Friday. Good job. All right, so one more thing I would like to do before we close our morning meeting. Let's go back up to this number 7. Everybody see this number 7? I want you to circle around your number 7. And then I want you to draw a little line coming out this way and a little line coming out this way. Everybody see that? And then I want you to make another big circle on each of the number 7s. Okay, coming off like that. So this is called a number bond, when we have a number in the middle and then 2 parts. So we have to figure out what is a way to make 7 that we have 2 numbers that we can put here. Now we've been doing that as our math warm up a few times. And so let's think about with our fingers. If we want to make 7, what's one way we can do that? Sure, we can put up 5 fingers and 2 fingers, right? 5, 6, 7. That's a way to make 7. There's another way. Who can think of another way? Yes, 4 and 3. 4 on this hand, 3 on this hand. That's another way to make 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, any other ways you can think of? Yeah, you're right. 6, but then we would have to do another person's hand and 1. 6 and 1 is another way. Okay, but that one we can't make on our hands, right? With our own hands. But if you had a partner, you could do 6 and your partner could do 1. And then 7 and 0 is another way. So we are going to do 4 and 3, okay? So I want you to write the number 4 inside this box here. And I want you to write the number 3 in this circle here. So what this number bond tells us is that the number 7 is our answer. That's our whole number. And then these two are our parts. 4 and 3 is equal to 7. So that's a way to make 7. Good job. All right, so that is it for our 7th day of school for morning meeting, and I will see you here again tomorrow. Goodbye.